The first step to filling your system with ink is to place all of the ink cartridges into the ink bay slots. Each color has a corresponding sticker showing the correct color for that ink bay assignment. Be sure to give the white ink a few gentle shakes before placing it into the ink bay. Now connect the power cable into the back of the printer and turn the printer on with the rear power switch. Power up the control panel by pressing the power button. You should see an initial flash screen displaying mPower. Once the printer has initialized, you should see the jobs display on the control panel, and the table will move out into its print position. The control panel should now read "Printer ready, waiting for print job." This is the main screen where all printing will be done. At this point, please feel free to call Energex Tech Support to help walk you through the filling of the printer process. Before the printer is filled with ink, take a moment to open the lid. Use the lid key to unlock the top cover. Notice that you will have some pink or clear cleaning fluid in the lines at the very beginning. With the top cover open, you can now see that the printer has two sets of ink tubes going to the print carriage. The back set is called Purge, and the front set is called the Print side. Ink needs to be filled to the print heads inside the print carriage from the cartridges. Both the Purge and Print tube sets need to be filled one at a time. To fill the print side tubes, first we need to select the main menu from the control panel, followed by maintenance functions. Then select Startup Fill and press Enter. Now select Fill Print Lines, also press Enter. Once you're in this screen, you will now want to press Start. This will begin to fill your tubes with ink on the print side of the print head. Open the lid to view the flow of ink. Ink should begin flowing from your cartridges through the tubes and make their way to the printhead carriage. Once ink from all 6 lines has reached the printhead carriage, they should reach the top point located here. Once all these lines are filled with ink, you will want to wait for 20 seconds. This should give plenty of time for all of the tubes to be filled in the front of the printhead. You can view the tubes in the very front of the printhead by looking through the cover. Once this is completed, select Stop, followed by Exit. The next process is filling the purge side of the printhead. Select Fill Purge Lines and press Enter. Now select each color channel and press Enter, turning on each pump for each channel. Open the top cover to view the ink flowing through your printer once again. The ink will move from the cartridges once again down the tubes and make their way to the printhead carriage. Once the ink has reached the printhead carriage, it should reach this point in the carriage. All 6 lines should be filled to this point. Using a flashlight can make this easier to view. Once ink has reached this point, please wait for 30 seconds. Then select Off from each line by scrolling through and pressing Enter. Then select Exit. The next step is to go to the main menu and select Printhead Clean, Level 1 Clean, and then Start Clean. This will do a printhead clean to wipe ink from the bottom of the printhead plate. Once the clean is finished, we will want to do a nozzle check to check the performance of the printhead before we can start printing. Press a nozzle check button on the control panel, followed by Print. A sheet of legal paper should be placed in the top right-hand corner to show the nozzle check. The white will print directly onto the table. You should see 6 solid bars for each color. If any of the bars are not solid, repeat a clean 1, or if necessary, a clean 2. If you're missing all channels or one channel fully, try a clean 3. Once again, please know, at this point you can contact Anajet's tech support to walk you through filling the system with ink.